Can Kaizer Chiefs end up playing MTN 8? As we know, the case of Marumo Gallants and Cape Town City is advancing, and it looks like Cape Town City by Luina Lilical. We'll be talking about that, and also the case of Luke Banman and Asanele Velepai. What is going on with their case? Also, talking about our youngster who is joining, who joined TS Galaxy. Pulemodi, Bongani Sam, and also we'll be talking about Zakele Lepasa, what is happening, what are the offers for him. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and watch the whole video. So let's get straight into the video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where uzithola khona zishisa pe. I am Manqoba Ngcobo, your host all the way from Greytown. So namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa. I am not dropping ama videos amaningi ngesizathu ngosuku nosuku. Isizathu sithi angifuni ukufika la guys and drop ivideo usuku nosuku and lawo mavideo aqamba amanga. I don't wanna be that guy, yabo. Although nami indaba zami zingekho 100% sure, but I try to collect information that is reliable. So ningakhathazeki if I'm not dropping videos, ngisuke ngisafuna information concrete. So there's been this news circulating around the internet, everywhere on social media, that Cape Town City ivule icala ivulela iMarumo Gallants because they believe that Marumo Gallants ibidlalisa umdlali umbambaniso. I don't know if he wasn't registered or what, but the case is dead. So Cape Town City can be back on the top flight. Congrats to them. But lokho kusibenefitisa ngani thina? Kusibenefitisa ngokuthi iMarumo Gallants le number 9, singaso number 8. Yeah, number 9 noma number 10. Number 8. Yeah? Something like that. I'm not sure. But my point is now, ayikho top 8 kodwa ingaphansi kwethu, but those points esingawathola from bona, they can help us to jump all the way to number 8 or number 7 or number 6. I'm not sure. But remember ukuthi uMpambaniso also played against us with DStv. I'm not sure if it was the last game or the game before the last game. I think it's the game before the last game. Yeah, last season we played against Marumo Gallants. Those games, this is our early season, and this guy was there playing, and also we are also a victim of this case. So this means we can somehow sneak in to the top 8. But umbuzo, are we too late for sneaking into the top 8? Because firstly, we are not prepared to play in the top 8 because our focus was only on the Betway Premiership Mayivuli season. We were not prepared so the top 8 MTN 8 before Premier League season Betway Premiership. So yilo mbuzo kumele siyibuze wona ukuthi are we ready to participate makwenzeka singene, and also are we also not too late because MTN 8 was launched today ukuthi amaqembu, and also the fixtures are there and the dates. How will that affect the schedule of EPSL and everything related to eFootball as a South Africa? So kumele sibe excited, but siyibuze naleyo mbuzo ukuthi are we ready to compete kwi-top 8 noma siyoyihlanganisa namanye amaqembu. And also can ama-fixtures ashintshele for thina yabo. So imibuzo kumele siyibuze yona leyo ukuthi are we ready now? So sidlule on this case. Another case that has been developing and advancing i-case ka-Asana Leveleba and Luke Badman. Siyazi sonke i-case yakhe kade sikhuluma ngayo. Cape Town Spurs agreed they don't want players to come and play for the other teams because but they are still contracted with their club, right? Siyavuma. So the case is still on hold, but it's advancing. Ukuthi amajisa they can come and join the Kaizer Chiefs team before the season starts because siyabadinga naturena and they are players who are signed with Kaizer Chiefs but they are not yet registered with Kaizer Chiefs. So we'll see what happens with them as leli viki lizophela nalela lizoqala i-case izohamba kanjani ngoba bethe i-case izoqhubeka K31 I think 31 ingolesine kusasa ingolesine namhlanje ngoba le video zobe niyibona ngolesine. So i-31 izobe iqhubeka i-case sibone kuze kuyoshaya umsombuluko ukuthi ihamba kanjani, then we'll be getting updates. All right. Another youngster uhambile wajoin i-TS Galaxy bafethu. We've been talking about him. Now it is confirmed official. Ntando Yenkosi Nkosi is joining TS Galaxy. Another diamond lost by Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu ngalo mjisa because bengitshela ukuthi usazoba i-star se-Kaizer Chiefs, but we'll see what happens. Maybe they can buy him back. Maybe they have a buyback clause for him, but sobona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Also, let's congratulate our player for winning a player of the tournament award, Upule Modi, Nedbank. So let's congratulate Pule Modi. Congratulations for winning the player of the tournament award, Nedbank. And congratulations kuwo wonke ama-players awinile awe-Pirates nawe-Sundowns, obvious. Guys, make sure ukuthi you comment down below and congratulate Upule Modi on his award. Also, I want us to talk about the case of uBongani Sam. We all know ukuthi we signed uBongani Sam, but izinto ayisebenzanga kahle, azimhambelanga kahle, and Kaizer Chiefs want to get rid of him because he's no use to Kaizer Chiefs. But the problem is Bongani Sam and Kaizer Chiefs haven't reached the agreement to terminate his contract because he's still contracted with Kaizer Chiefs. The contract bound the club and the player together. So the agent kaBongani Sam wants a compensation fund ukuthi i-player belinxephezele lithola imali, then they can reach the agreement to terminate the contract. So it's all up to his agent. Mayethi uyahlala uBongani Sam kwi-Kaizer Chiefs akafuna ukuhamba, uzolinda lo 2 years amsalele kwi-contract and an option to extend. Uzohlala edla imali yakwi-Kaizer Chiefs engenzi lutho, engabi part of the squad, engenzi lutho nje ehlale because i-contract isho njalo ukuthi umdlalo we-Kaizer Chiefs. So uBongani Sam mhlambe singambona ehamba, mhlambe iwindi mase lizobuye selivalwe yabo, into enjalo. So but njengamanje the agreement haven't been reached by the two parties, which is umdlali and Kaizer Chiefs. That case, I want us to talk about uZakhele Lepasa. Zakhele Lepasa simkhulumile ngayo kule video yami edlule ukuthi he's a free agent. Ngenzeka ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs might want him to come because we need squad depth, and many of the comments were saying that he can come to Kaizer Chiefs and we will welcome him and appreciate him. But the rumors now are saying that I don't know if it's either Orbit City or Durban, Orbit College or Durban City, who are sneaking to sign Zakhele Lepasa, because the rumors are saying a newly promoted club is sneaking to sign